Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now in today's video I'll be sharing a recipe for a quick, simple and easy spicy garlic butter shrimp. So guys, without further hesitation, let's get started. So here I have my shrimp already washed and clean, and these shrimp I leave the tail on for a more prettier presentation. And here I have some garlic, I have some butter, I have some lemon, and for the seasoning I have some salt, some black pepper, some paprika and some Cajun seasoning. And here for my heat I have some crushed red pepper flakes and of course some dried parsley. Now I'm just going to go ahead and combine my dry season, and I'm going to go ahead and spoon some of this onto my shrimp. I'll leave some for the sauce later on. So I'm just going to go ahead and massage this in. Now shrimp doesn't really take a long time to marinate, so I'm just going to do this and let it sit for about 10-20 minutes. Now in a heated pan I'm just going to go in with some of my butter. I'm going to allow the butter to melt, and then I'm going to go ahead and cook these shrimp on each side for about 2 minutes. We don't want to overcook the shrimps because they're going to go back into the butter sauce once we make it, and it's going to cook for additional 2 to 3 minutes. So we just want to get them just right. We don't want to overcook them at this point. So I'm just going to go ahead and layer my shrimp. And once it starts turning pink and get translucent, we're going to flip over and allow it to cook for additional 2 minutes. Now that these are done, I'm going to go ahead, remove them from the pan, and then continue on with the rest of my ingredients. Now in that same pan with all that shrimp flavor, I'm going to go ahead and melt down a couple more tablespoons of butter, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic, and I'm just going to cook this. At this point you want to lower your heat because we don't want the garlic to burn. We want the garlic to cook through but not burn. So I'm just going to go ahead and cook my garlic, then add the rest of my spices, and at this point my house is smelling nice and fragrant. So I'm going to go in with my crushed red pepper flakes. I will leave a written recipe down in the description box so you could go ahead and check that out. And I'm just going to go ahead and incorporate these. Then I'm just going to go ahead and add a squeeze of lemon juice. Now you add as much lemon juice as you like or as little. Now I'm going to go ahead, add my shrimp, give it a toss, and that's basically it, guys. Our nice and spicy garlic butter shrimp is ready. Now guys, if you like what you see, give this video a big thumbs up. If you want to see more amazing recipe like this one, hit that subscription button, turn on the post notification bell that says all, so you'd be notified every time I upload a new video, and also share this video. I will highly appreciate it. Now this is what it looks like, nice and juicy. These pepper shrimp were awesome, guys. You ought to try this recipe. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about this recipe, and if you try this recipe you could tag me on Instagram at Toya's Kitchen to let me see your creation. Until then, my beautiful people, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.